Welcome to Foundations of Special and Inclusive Education. This video focuses on supporting learners who experience difficulty communicating. Communication is essential for learning, connection, and self-expression. As educators, our role is to build bridges, ensuring every voice has the opportunity to be heard and understood. Imagine knowing the answer but being unable to form the words. Students with communication difficulties may face frustration, social isolation, and academic hurdles. Our strategies aim to ease these challenges with empathy and skill. We will explore a holistic approach built on a three-pillar framework for support: fostering a supportive environment, implementing active strategies, and ensuring effective instruction. Pillar 1 focuses on fostering a supportive environment, creating a classroom where every student feels psychologically safe, respected, and confident enough to try. Upholding dignity and respect starts with unconditional positive regard. Create a no-shame zone, honor their pace, and always see the whole person. The gift of patience and time is crucial. Rushing communication creates anxiety. Slowing down creates trust. Allow for processing time and offer kind, gentle assistance when needed. Celebrate every attempt. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Acknowledge the effort and highlight specific improvements to build confidence and motivation. Pillar 2 involves implementing active strategies, moving beyond passive support to engage students in playful, purposeful activities that build communication skills. Students can learn and grow through play. Games are a low-pressure, high-engagement way to develop language skills, strengthening vocabulary, phonological awareness, and turn-taking. Kinesthetic learning involves making it physical, connecting the physical feeling of speech to the sound. Encourage students to mirror, model, and use tactile feedback to make speech concrete. Fun warm-ups like oral motor exercises strengthen the muscles needed for clear speech. Examples include blowing bubbles, exaggerated coughing or yawning, and moving the tongue in playful ways. Pillar 3 is ensuring effective instruction, which means applying strategic, thoughtful, and collaborative practices to guide and measure student progress effectively. Check for understanding regularly. Don't assume. Assess. Use varied methods like thumbs up/down or pointing to the answer, and proactive check-ins prevent frustration. Be strategic with corrections. Constant correction can be demoralizing. Instead, focus on one goal at a time and model, don't criticize, to build skills without crushing confidence. Build the homeschool connection, because learning doesn't stop at the classroom door. Share strategies with families and create a partnership to build a consistent support system for the student. Our toolkit for inclusive communication is built on 3 pillars for student success: a supportive environment, active strategies, and effective instruction. As you move forward, reflect and ask yourself, what is one strategy I will commit to using to ensure every student in my classroom has a voice? Thank you for watching this video. Remember, no problem, only solution.